This is cow bacon from Lincolnshire Bushcraft school. Just going to show you some of the bits in my fire kit. Here we've got Potassium Permanginate. That's absolutely fantastic if there's damp conditions and you're struggling to get a fire going. I'll show you that in a moment. We've got the fire pump, which you load with a bit of char cloth. It's a bit difficult because I'm holding the camera to show you. Just 1 minute. And as you see, it's got an end to put the char cloth in, and you put it into its compartment and you give it a good whack, pull it out, and it compresses the air inside and sets fire to the char cloth, or lights it, ignites it, so you can put it into any other combustible material that's dry you've got. And everyone who does survival and bushcraft knows that this is a Magnesium Striker, and it's absolutely fantastic if you have some char cloth or birch, a little bit of birch, which is really oily and resinous, which will take a spark straight away. It's a bit difficult with one hand, but I'll show you the Potassium Permanginate. And the good thing about Potassium Permanginate is, I'll just put a bit in here just to show you, which is like a crystal. You can put glycerin onto it, and it should, sometimes it makes me out to be a liar, but you just put a little bit of vegetable glycerin in, and leave it, and if you've got wet conditions and you can't get anything to light, this is what will happen. The chemical reaction should ignite the potassium permanganate at any moment. Here we go, as you see. It gets quite violent, which is a great source of ignition if you're struggling to make a fire. Ignition point. Not everyone has this in their survival kit or bushcraft kit. I always keep it just in case. But the good thing about potassium permanganate is also you can add it to your water. And it'll sterilise your water, and also if you put it in your water, like half a teaspoon of it, it goes like a purpley colour, and if you've got any cuts and stuff, it's like an antiseptic as well, so it's got 3 good uses. So anyway, that's part of my kit that I have all the time with me, plus I have my fire drill, which I use also. But I hope this helps you. Thank you.